Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
It looks like the wait for the OnePlus 12 is almost over. We've already seen some leaked renders of the upcoming flagship, and it looks like it'll have a triple camera setup with Hasselblad tech. Plus, the display specs have come out and it looks like the OnePlus 12 will still have a curved panel. We can't wait for it to come out in December in China. It has been reported on Weibo by Digital Chat Station, a popular tipster, that the upcoming OnePlus 12 will have a display of 6.82 inches with a curved AMOLED display and a QHD resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display panel of the OnePlus 12 is expected to be sourced from Deoi, one of the world's largest manufacturers of OLED displays, according to a Weibo post. It is reported that the panel will be based on long-term optimization, LTPO, technology and will have a 2160Hz PWM dimming frequency. It is speculated that OnePlus is still in the process of determining the optimal brightness levels for the panel. Additionally, the Weibo post suggests that the top model of the OnePlus May 12 be equipped with up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It is also suggested that the device will come in 3 color options, black, green, and white. It has been reported that the OnePlus 12 will be equipped with the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, which is expected to be unveiled by Qualcomm at the Snapdragon Summit in New York City next week. According to the latest tip from Digital Trends, the device is expected to have 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, which is a first for OnePlus. Additionally, the camera specifications for the OnePlus 12 have been leaked online. It is believed that the triple rear camera setup of the OnePlus 12 will feature a 50MP primary camera with OIS, 48MP wide-angle lens, and 64MP periscope lens with OIS, allowing for 3x optical zoom capabilities. The 5000 mAh battery is expected to remain the same, and the device is said to have 100W wired fast and 50W wireless charging capabilities. It is expected to launch in December 2023 in China, and the device could be available in early January 2024 in the global markets. Additionally, OnePlus is currently preparing to launch its first foldable product, the OnePlus Open, in the near future.